there is one country which is not made on the basis of any ethnicity or tribal identity. And it is created, it has happened for a purpose. इसका नाम है इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ पाकिस्तान. इस हॉल में बैठे हुए आप बच्चे बच्चियाँ मुख्तलिफ ज़ुबानें, मुख्तलिफ एक्सेंट्स में बात करते हैं. Come from different parts of Pakistan. You have बहुत सारी cultural आपकी affinity भी है, बहुत सारे cultural differences. The soul of this state, Pakistaniyat, is not an ethnicity. It is a much bigger philosophy. It is a much bigger concept. Pakistan is a very special state. It is the state of its kind. It is not being looked at by other ideologies which are rising. This conceptual, ideological state as the real bulwark against such ideologies. Ethnic lines पे divide करने की आपको कोशिश की जा रही है. आप पंजाबी हैं, आप पश्तून हैं, आप बलोच हैं, आप सिंधी हैं. You are part of a great concept. You are part of a great state. ये बहादुर लोगों का मुल्क है. Inshallah it will bear the fruit. बहादुर लोग जो हैं, they have to make a choice. They have to stay. They don't get tired. They don't get frustrated, and they don't get defeated.